Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khallyana Naura. I will show you how to operate air conditioner. First, press the power button to turn it on. Next, set the temperature. Use the up or down arrows buttons on the remote to adjust the temperature to your preference. Typically, 24 under 26 degrees Celsius is an ideal temperature. I will set it to 26. Okay. Next, set the fan speed. Press this button that have 4 options: low, medium, high, and auto. Next, set the air swing. Press this button. It has 5 mode plus auto. 1, 2, 3, the lower one, and auto. Next, choose the mode. Press this button. It has 3 modes: auto, cool, and dry. Cool for cooling the room, dry for reducing humidity, and auto automatically adjust temperature and fan speed. But I prefer to use cool mode 1. After that, review the display on the remote or unit to ensure all settings, such as temperature, fan speed, swing, and mode, are correct. And the last, to turn off the air conditioner, you can push this button like that.